So today, after 2 long years, we're back in Aqaba at the Red Sea, diving the world's first underwater military museum. This time, I'm excited to take you to the North Beach to share with you Aqaba's newest dive site, the TriStar airplane wreck sunk in 2019, just before COVID shut all travel down. Previously, we visited the battle tank and the Hercules C-130, which sadly was destroyed in a storm in 2020. The TriStar wreck is accessible by boat, so let's go check it out. So almost immediately, the Lockheed TriStar L-1011 emerged as we swam. The TriStar sits at a depth of 15 to 28 meters, which is about 49 to 91 feet. The wreck was sunk in a relatively wide and sandy area, so the aircraft will now allow the creation of artificial reefs and also a habitat for fish and other marine life. Okay, tell me, how cool is this? I'm beside a huge Lockheed TriStar airplane. I'm so happy that GoPro has upped their game because previously when I dove the Hercules C-130, you may remember I was only able to take pictures because the GoPro Hero 7 wouldn't film at that depth, but my new GoPro Hero 9 can give you all of this footage to watch. See the little fishies in the pilot seats? I'm happy to report that I was in good hands as the dive center we went with took their credentials very seriously. Being NAUI open water certified, I was able to explore the wreck from the outside, but I was not allowed to go in. But for those of you who have your advanced certifications, you can actually go in the TriStar and explore everything that has to offer. And there's a really cool extra that I'll show you in a second. But first, yes, you can go in through this door right here. And then, hold on, wait for it. See? You can come back out through the back of the plane like these guys right here. How cool is that? Okay, this is the other cool part I was talking about here. You can actually go in the turbine of the TriStar. So that's another cool photo op also for those of you who are a little bit more adventurous and have your advanced dive. So this dive site typically has visibility of about 10 to 30 meters, and they also have snorkeling on site too. I'm going to leave you guys now to enjoy the rest of the video with some music, but feel free to check out my battle tank video if you want to see more of Aqaba's underwater military museum. And if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to ask me more questions in the comments, and subscribe and turn on the bell notification for future underwater military museum in Jordan the next time I go. please like and subscribe so I can share more cool and unique finds with you.